Hello everyone and welcome back to Revive Nutrition, and whoever is watching this video, I really appreciate your presence. And hope you are doing good in this lockdown period and taking an extra precautions to get rid of COVID, and also on the other side the rising temperature. Yes, as the summer sets in, we start filling the kitchen with all the ingredients that helps to cool down our body. The temperature is rising day by day, so we need to do something to cool down our body, to reduce the heat in the body, because the heat is there outside as well as inside the body. So why the heat is produced in the body? Heat is produced in the body because of various factors. The few factors are like it can be produced because of the food you are eating. If you are eating, there are certain foods which generates the heat in the body. So this is one reason. Another reason is certain medications. If you are on the certain list of medications or high dose of medication, it also produces heat in the body. And the main common reason is sedentary lifestyle. Yes, sedentary lifestyle is one of the reason of producing heat in the body, because when there is no movement or no activity, a lot of toxins are accumulated in the body, and more the toxins, more the heat in the body. So it is very important to combat this outside heat with certain foods which helps you to cool down your body and keep you relaxed and calm. So today we are going to discuss one such food, because there are a list of foods. Definitely you can opt for all whatever suits you, but I'm going to tell you about one particular food, one particular seed which has an amazing cooling effect in the body. Yes, I'm talking about sabja seeds, sweet basil seeds. This is completely different from chia seeds, so don't misunderstand between chia seeds and sabja seeds the same. It is completely different, though they look same, but it's different. Sabja seeds have a very amazing cooling effect in the body. So what you need to do is you need to soak about 1 to 2 teaspoons of sabja seeds in a glass of water. Keep it for about half an hour to 1 hour, and then you can consume it. You can add a little bit of lemon juice for taste if you don't like the blend taste. Apart from having this cooling effect, sabja seeds is also have a lot of benefits in the body. Number one is it helps to reduce your estrogen levels. So if the women are having a more amount of estrogen in the body, it leads to an estrogen dominance, which creates an hormonal imbalance. So it helps you to reduce. So having a glass of sabja seeds water every day will help you to reduce your estrogen levels and maintain the balance of the hormones. Number two is it is very rich source of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acid is required by the body for carrying out various metabolic functions, for hormone production, and also for losing weight. So if you are looking for losing weight, you should definitely go for a glass of sabja seed water. But obviously the other lifestyle parameters need also to be taken care of. At the same time, it is very low in calorie. So you can definitely opt as your mid-meal or before the meals to fill up your stomach a little bit if you are on the process of the weight loss or trying to lose weight. Number three is it is very rich source of fiber. So fiber plays a very important role in the body. It helps you to reduce your constipation or avoid constipation. A good amount of fiber helps to keep your blood sugar level under control, your cholesterol levels under control. So fiber, having a fiber is very important in your diet, and sabja seed is one such food which helps you to match up your fiber intake. Also, when there is a lack of fiber, you tend to crave for a lot of sweet food, sugary foods. So try to include fiber in the diet and try to add sabja seeds in your meals, which will help you to enhance your fiber intake and reduce your sugar cravings, and ultimately help you to lose your weight. It is also rich in flavonoids, which is very good for controlling the cough and cold. Sabja seeds is very rich in iron, vitamin K, and protein. So if you are deficient in iron or if your hemoglobin levels are low, sabja seed is the rescue. And also sabja seeds is anti-inflammatory in nature. So today, in this time, in this period when there is a pandemic all over, inflammation, low immunity is one of the reasons for getting infected. So try to so having a sabja seeds will help you to avoid that, because it is an anti-inflammatory in nature. It will avoid any inflammation in the body. Also, sabja seeds, you can definitely, if you have a severe constipation, you can definitely go for 2 or 3 times in a day. And sabja seed is very good for all your digestive issues, like your acidity, your heartburn, your constipation, bloating, belching, gastric issues. So all kind of digestive issues can be at least recovered for a while, or from the you can recover from the symptoms by having the sabja seeds, because of fiber it helps you to reduce your constipation. Because of cooling effect it helps you to reduce your acidity and heartburn, and it also helps you to digest your food properly. Yeah, so this was all about sabja seeds, and I hope you understand how effective, how useful these small seeds are, and it is very inexpensive, easy method to go for to cool down your body during this high temperature season, during the summer season. And yeah, so you can have it, the recommended dose is minimum 2 to 4 teaspoon in a day. You can definitely have before the meals, you can have it in the early morning, or you can have it as a mid meal also. Any time of the day is absolutely okay, but if you're trying to lose your weight, I would suggest you to go half an hour before your meal. That will really help. So have a great day ahead. Take extra care of yourself. Till our next video, eat smart, breathe deep, and sleep enough. Thank you.